Some mornings you don't need a plan, you need a boat that's ready before you are. The Ferretti 500 is that boat. Built in Forli, Italy, Ferretti Group. 50 feet of Flybridge Motor Yacht designed for the kind of owner who doesn't need a crew, just keys and a heading. You're out of the marina before the coffee crowd shows up. Twin Cummins engines, 1,100 horsepower total. 30 knots when you want to cover water. 25 when you want to enjoy the crossing. 170 nautical miles of range. That's a full day on the water and back before sunset. The swim platform is where the day starts. Step down from the cockpit, deploy the tender, drop into the water. The hydraulic lift handles toys and tenders without crew. One person, a few minutes, done. 136 square feet of flybridge under an optional hardtop. You're up top, protected, with a wet bar and the whole horizon in front of you. The main deck galley opens directly to the cockpit. No wall, no door, no separation between cooking and the water. Foredeck cushions fold out for the afternoon when the anchor's down. Rod holders, teak decks. Everything you need for a full day outside. 3 cabins below. The master is full beam, about 140 square feet. More than enough to sleep well after a long run. Italian wood veneers, supple fabrics. It's a proper base camp, not just a place to put your gear. This is what 50 feet looks like when it's built for the water, not the dock. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.